Hey guys, Tara Ryan here, and today's tip from Tara is about some good news about mortgage rates. We have been waiting for this. Let me tell you a little bit about it here. If I pull this up and take a look, I want you to see here, we are looking at mortgage rates survey across many lenders. What we have got is a nice improvement from where we were just 1 week ago. What happened? Well, as you know, the Fed has been indicating they have got to fight inflation. So that has meant increasing rates, trying to drive money out of the economy, and really trying to deal with that inflation problem that has been out there. Well, and a little bit of a surprise move, on Wednesday, they indicated, hey, we're going to put a pause on raising rates, and in fact, have predicted maybe a decrease in rates 3 times next year. Look, what the Fed does not directly impact mortgage rates, not point for point, but they do correlate together. And so that announcement moved the markets. Mortgage rates moved pretty big, about 0.5% on the week, which put us solidly back in the 6s. Look at this, where we are. Now, this is a survey of mortgage rates across all lenders, as I mentioned, but absolutely good news. Now, when we see big movement like this, and this was big in our world, typically you start to see the market take some of it back. They kind of feel like, oh, we overdid it, and then they correct back over the next few days. In this case, we got a nice movement on Wednesday, a little bit more on Thursday and Friday. Friday, we stuck the landing. Rates held firm with very little movement. That's very good news that this may be here to stay. And of course, all of us are hoping to get just a little bit more. This makes me a little optimistic for all of us for our spring market. We're going to see the media talking about this. We'll see, again, once people have seen 7 and even 8%, 6 starts looking pretty good, and we're not too far from getting to that 5.99 that many of you have heard me say. I think that's what brings all the buyers back into the market. So for clients that are looking to buy, they need to get ahead of this. It's also a great opportunity to be warming up old leads, right? Guys, many leads don't purchase in that short window when you first hear from them. Many of them are a much longer term. So I encourage you, go back and look. Who are folks who have reached out a year ago, a year and a half ago, 6 months ago, who you didn't hear from anymore? They kind of started ghosting you. I think it's a great time to use this as a reason to say, hey, let's talk. Let's see if you still are interested in buying a new home in the state of Georgia. So just so appreciate the opportunity to share this information with you guys. As always, if you need a quote specific to your client, please reach out. This is just averages, best case scenario here. But we'd love to take a look and get you what you need. And if you have any warm leads you'd like my team to reach out to try to warm up for you, we are all about it. Just let us know. If you are interested in more content like this, please like and subscribe below. We're going to start adding a lot more content, and it won't all come via email. So you want to be subscribed so you stay in the know. As always, we are here to help 7 days a week. Have a great week.